Welcome back, guys. We're off the beaten path and somewhere in the outskirts of Newport, Tennessee today. That's in Cocke County. It's part of the TWRA land. Used to be an old train track. Used to run through here, but now it's like a wildlife reserve area. So we're just going to check it out. See what's going on out here. See if we can find some cool nature and any maybe old remains of the old rails that used to come through here. So let's go check this place out. Oh, that's huge. It's actually bigger than I thought it was. I come across this area on Google Maps, and of course Google Maps doesn't do it justice, you know. I thought this place was a lot smaller. That's huge. Look at that. Part of the old Southern Railway, I guess, that come through here. Some kind of a dump for train cars or something. That's massive though. Look at that. Lots of beautiful wildlife here though. Wow. That's very intimidating. Now the existing rail line is actually on the other side of the waterway there. As you can see those train cars there. Wow. That's impressive. All the graffiti. Hopefully we don't run into any snakes out here. That's a scary thought, but a possibility. Look at all those dirt over this. Scary. This name up there says Chicago, USA, but something in Schaefer Company. I really don't know what the date is on this setup and when this was actually operational. I'll have to do a little digging on that. See if I can find some information for you. As you can see, the old line, rail line used to go down through there, run down through there all the way through that direction, of course. Look at that view of those mountains though. That's something else. Wow. Oh, there's an old bridge that goes across the river. Looked to me to be like a, you know, a train bridge or something, but it's running in a totally different direction. And I didn't see any access to get to it. I just saw it on the Google Maps images. So I'm gonna try my best to get to that, but it kind of boggles my mind because the rail line runs, you know, this way adjacent to the riverway, but this bridge goes across the river, and it didn't look like there's any lines that run in that direction, so I'm not sure exactly what it was. I decided to take a drive down the old track line, see what was down here. Kind of a cool little drive. It's very beautiful right now. Usually this area I think is underwater to some degree, and so when it's not, it has a lot of beautiful emerald green grass growing, as you can see. I'll show you some footage of that trip down the little road so you can see what I'm talking about. Unfortunately, as you can see, can't go any further. I was hoping I could make it all the way down. I could probably walk, but I'm still, I mean, it's a long walk down there, so I'm probably not going to do that today, down to that little bridge thing I was telling you about. So maybe another time I'll get to that. I'm not sure how far that goes back there, but I'm gonna go ahead and let you go. And thanks for watching the video. Until next time, I'll see you later.